Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to help you learn how to change your profile picture on Discord. In order to do so, make sure you have a Discord application installed on your device. Once you got the app, tap it open. Before moving right into our video, I would like to request you to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Tap open the Discord application and sign into your account, if necessary. Once you reach the home screen of this card, go to the profile button, at the bottom right corner of the screen, right here, and once you do that, you'll end up on your user settings page. Tap on My Account, from this page, and at the very top left, you'll be able to see your account profile photo. Simply, tap on that photo and choose an application from where you want to upload the picture. Let me select my gallery, go ahead and pick a picture of yourself and tap on Upload. After you're done uploading the picture, go and tap on the Save button, at the bottom right corner, and simply save the changes that you made on this page, in your profile, and you've successfully uploaded a profile picture on this card. If you wish to change it then, simply tap on your profile picture one more time and then tap on your application, from where you want to upload the picture and choose one of the photos that you want to change to. After you're done, tap on the crop, if you want to make any kind of a change. If you want to cut out a part of your photo then, now is the time. Simply go ahead and make any kind of a change, if you want. You can choose the picture ratio from the options displayed at the bottom right here. If you want to rotate your image simply, tap on this button right here at the bottom right and you can go ahead and slide the slider and rotate your image as you please. Now, after you're done, tap on the tick mark at the upper right corner and that is how you can change your profile picture on the Discord application. Now, go ahead and tap on the Save button in the bottom right one more time to save your picture and that is it. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.